guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
You must go to Nigeria, go and marry from Nigeria and bring it to Europe. No beg the repercussion or way. Adie Nigeria ya marry no ye adie we bo no beg be no here. Who we say we maybe we pin we ma we mafia we adie Nigeria, go to Nigeria and bring wife to this place. Go to Nigeria and bring wife to this place and let's see. Then we see how it go take end. Go Nigeria. Go Nigeria, go bring woman come. Easy. Go Nigeria, go bring woman come. Even though you no go, you feel as well from here. Sponsor woman from that side. Come here. You go stay there here. They happen. Omo, yeah, back try again. Try the roots. Make you see how it be. Yeah, try the game to say you want the friend girl for Nigeria. You want bring her come. I don't tell you. Even if go where you might say where. And now my way I go. Anyway, we can't have here. One year in the year, I can't wait.
Bros, it's been like saying you don't know which are the talk. I say me, I don't leave down, beg my wife. You know, agree. I don't leave down, but that's going from out there, not doing it here. I don't beg I don't use.
Pastor, how we marriage? Pastor, no where to what we pastor need. No castle what we come together.
Pastor no get what you do. This one no concern pastor. You understand? You no concern pastor. This one, so this very one, you no concern pastor. Because a pastor be me, a pastor be me. So this one are two of us and the day. If he go work a day for two of us, that one you no concern. Don't do in your work. You don't do in you. So I got to you way. My kind pastor.
They are not living. They must be the one and a brother.
Brother, we are behind the video. Why can't it be quiet? When the marriage is for better for worse.
No. Let me count the misuse and for instance.
But it's just to come as how I look into the marriage. What I say, when of you work, I mean, why the Ikunaidian and the letter? He don't know that your mom, how I take me. And one more no. If you don't be able to water or you have money in need. So that is how what marriage is. He has that remember no one go however I better. How many beauty for one lene? Tamel man doing you wawe. Tamel man do the baby wawe at all. The man can on never do. Oh, the alelo who no more do. They can't be married. Oh, the alelo what's it?
That's so. What he gave a little
what does Paddy?
He gave a little but my own and my way, he didn't marry my hair or cosmecolo. You find it. I don't be married to somebody. I don't be married to somebody pushing. Yeah, I don't know whether it gets me. I don't be married to somebody.
No. Now so they talk. You know, I don't know whether you know what they talk because that's the way you are deep for life. Now one get to the know. I'm not make back my by young one. I came and make back my they like a way waje. If you were young, go and me understand it.
Me beg you. I apologize everything. Or maybe only like that video that may finish a minute. Only like Jawia, worry very happy. You know, you have to know Jim or you will say everything now.
Where Tamosi, where are you? Where
gbonari okwo bro pa gbonari okwo wu ana yari okwo egbe because omo pa ma won no nobody wey know he know say nobody know you know say nobody knows you omo pa ma enwe a nigga avoid right from the beginning when you say you want even know my family who are no agree na be all this one so make you avoid the make you avoid the
this one
you know
na
say don't say why don't they avoid you you know why don't they avoid them nobody know you guy
like say dominion
now you go there no be you go there
that price you me mu yo me don't hear you my watch here my hero my face my guy in phone you know my hero who the best here here we when moving here we come together ni work one yeah, we come together, my brother.
Na so prank, na truth. Not be prank. You get the settle for year.
If your back will not come away, in your back of Baba Highway, put your away. And no more retarded. Every other thing you can overcome it.
Okay, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can overcome. But why do you not come answer and say this woman where you would and they get issues? So we also know. Okay, I beg now make una answer and say what did they happen because it must get something where we say they happen, where we say if they cause quarrel or where they bring argument or where they bring problem come for his house. It must get something where they happen. One more time because we need more girl. You know your girl character. That is your mindset. That is your mindset. That is your mindset. See your mind. I
did that video. You understand? So I'll let you go back again. My brother, you may want to in oh, how you know your parrot will get you. May I wish to go more down? Maybe the mindset is the may I wish to go more down. May I wish to go more down?
You leave your wife, you won't go carry single mother.
Oh, may you be
Why?
Oko you be ni me. May I wish to go more down. The best, my bros, I know me with my so when you don't meet the shots, I know I tell you do my things. Okochi is the name of what since me dig when the main and Okomagwe, me I big the one. You remember like that video. You know, so it was a woman out of the time way, the middle tower parking of that video. You know, like the other tower parking, oh, or my dejo. Yeah, I know what you want, some.
What you trying to talk? No, nobody's going to matter the corner. This time, nobody's going to matter the corner. This kind of time, nobody's going to matter the corner. So my son will be allowed.
What did they make this man they stay as?
That's going to be allowed. Very no. The message going to be allowed. The message will make the show. Can you imagine God?
Where you come there?
That is the reason I get a mono. A mama. Woman.
God have mercy, no.
So imagine the reason we are not away, we are to settle it. Marriage is for better for worse. Yes, you know, any more ball, you know, the man. Yeah, brother, it doesn't know what they talk. I don't need that, take my wife. You will say be giant man. You will say be carry God, it's the key person. You will say be killer. Now, woman, I will calm you down. You understand? I don't beg my wife. You know, green.
No, I can't dominion. You change now.
Yeah, this is very you know, they see they communicate, they talk. You understand so?
They're not the talk.
You know, green. What I want to do? You can't come out for social media. Okay, I see. Say
This
make I
kind
dissolve her.
of Yamala wa
Then
again.
you see come out say make I change her. Say na
No,
plan.
no, it's us. What
I
you they do
change
for
her. But
outside?
don't green. After I don't beg her.
What you want us to say they do for outside this kind of time?
But this man, they don't green.
What you want us to say they do for outside this kind of time? What you want us saying they do for outside this kind time of the day? Yamalawa, Omalawa, this kind time of the day.
But now live video you
You see the
want
top matter. Say if you come clean my clothes for Isa everywhere me day. We see who get us land, but then I get her or I make get her. Now only Ogwalegbe go call here. You understand? We go sex, my brother.
Yeah, go what I'm aware. Go what you're not going to water. Why, if I know where maybe of you and Elijah. Oh, Baladaria will not away for 10 days.
For 10 days.
What are they?
May I to
will not away for 10 days.
May I to what my brother? Me, when we talk about it, we say the marriage me no once again. The marriage don't kaput. That brother, that's no me. I know they forgive person. If forgiveness, now forgive everyone I'll sin for my life. May I forgive everyone. Dominion care, may forgive, yet he forgive if you I never play with the finish. When we were for Saga, you never reach that place. Yes, I work on I'm like Garu, my brother.
Now small in they even they talk for live video. This one way they talk so now small. The one way be saying they give me for face to face. If they talk to me, the way until they talk if they, they want give me bad mouth. The way until they talk, I pass this one. This one, nothing they talk now. As my and so. It to go get bad mouth. Eko wo yan ri e ke mi atamu we o eni we jeni e ba ni o ya kan ma you know say person go say I invest me I go outside I no want stay inside this house again at the end of the day that outside go tire you I go really do and you go stay the outside you go tire for that outside no be person go tell you what you want all my time we no need no be person go tell you no be person go tell you say the life where you dey think or where you want make you live so before you can start still can go hand down again if care is not taken say you run into woman life you can still run out from that place you are begging in a bunch we are meaning we are living about that
Dominion.
see now they come up and so they call you
The other one, Udema Gala, I think we love it.
we are me
Before me, they talk like this, say the thing, don't.
over you it don't pass
They
you
don't use crazy on fire.
not say you now
Face me.
Kobe no go waka
What do
Wow,
you
our time is now with that one.
I'm eating.
Obera yo, no bera no, no bigger no, and Popononia no, and Pot is
na see
no. No, that I will walk. No, that be my way.
where dey
Not where my way. So that we go together, we go Kokomo. Huh? So, me better you walk, yay. It's never the less. Call the parents, call your pastor, call those people you think they can counsel you. You talk once and over concerning this marriage. You know? It's your wife.
bro I don't know some people they go they use Nigeria they compare say let me I look this baby be like say they shake body go be like say some people it go be like say at the some people go they feel say at the end of the day as in they live for Nigeria and so they go continue they live for abroad here where we dey na abroad we dey we even get abroad sef this abroad where we dey so na Germany be this one here no be Italy wey man go dey do anyhow no here na Germany be this one you understand they say who do anyhow you go see anyhow na im be here some people they go they feel say maybe na Nigeria we dey na so we dey do am for Nigeria that year. You wan come use am dey misbehave for here for Germany. Omo wetin you see you go bear am life and direct. Me to we even about beta. Me ti be to we me how is your board we are imi awo even we are. At the end of the day, you go know what life be. No person go tell you. Even here way anything. You get down and you here way. When you understand me, you here way get down. You understand? I will let you really know. Say na person and you jump.
Fine, there's something nobody can do. What do I believe for when my mama body just
Edomine kia na gware ko bana. Na ta person na we me gware ko bana. Na one hand. Bana.
Which woman?
Agbena you alena. The way we talk as the game wa get.
Agbena yena no we tia bon.
Ija.
No we tia bon.
Me o
do le tia.
O kwa ma ye ni na brother we mesuwa. Message you if I'm married now, if I'm not carrying woman now, I see good mother be say if I get picking now go different.
My brother,
picking issue not
there. And I be temata. Where I was single mother ni wa kwenya. Oh, me no be kwalo no ile. And here we go yo on your
God bless you.
bros.
All these things so don't come up for your head though. It don't that period is day in head, but it can't fly everything can't fly come up for your head. Now another different character now you can't just they use for Insta these days. And you now say me I not can even know what they do now. I not can know the thing they make me they take confused. I don't even know what thing they do now at all.
Don't kindly come out with some
Oga want to wear my brother. Oga want to wear. Oga what's the name want to wear? Hey, you can't want to wear. No, go your. What just want to wear? Oga want to wear my brother. Oga no proper here, Kuni. Mani ona you wear.
Yeah, I don't forget him. I don't forget him. I don't forget him.
Amen. Amen. Be more than the right thing for the amen. So, amen.
Only a prayer point in Median Winnie. Now, Omano here, then you are boy. Oh, now you were all near the ally yet, but the marriage was making that go well.
Amen. But you may set it go back.
You dey go church. The reason why they shake my head, you dey go church where they say amen. You dey go church. You dey go church. You dey go church. Not be fight, quarrel, argument. Not be you take the comot for us. Say you want go church.
But not be you with
as soon as I say no, they go church. Na pagan, na it be. Na pagan, na it be. If you be Christian, even go say you want even marry. You go know say you know the man. Say na church person wey dey relate dey go church. Person wey no God. But all this one wey be say they no know God. I cannot they go church. You don't know what they call church. I did tell you now this night. I know they say make I hide down or not. You know they go church. Now fight night till they get up. Even sometimes when me not they go church. Now in they make me know they go. Yes, because only me one know go fit carry on. Now two of us supposed to carry on. This guy know they go church. Now pagan I be. Now fight till they come out for inside to say you want go church. You they say me that they write and say amen. Other men will shall it was saying so you tell me, guy, if I don't say now, you don't understand. I'm not going even to blame myself. I know say God will be say everything be like this. God know the reason why. And God will say make everything be like this. You know why? I'm not going to let her to pay me. Get why I still say I'm not going to let her to pay me. But at the time you go remember. You go remember who then they call dominion. You go remember, say, everybody not be the same thing. Not be wear this one for good. Not be the other one for good. Now that one now I need to tell you. You go remember. Say, you think say, as you there, you think you there here, everything there okay. You suffer, they manage yourself. Me, I still they manage my own self. With the suffer, they live and they go small. Don't be you open your mouth. Let me say there's some women they not they follow person they share meat. You don't tell me, but me I they follow person they share meat. I pray make God bless you. Go jam that person way not they follow person share meat. You go no say you na so life be. Or you where you will not say yes where you first the woman where you first day with na paradise or more. Let's continue. Just one we are led. As far as we marry till you why you not fit come house this night. Not be person go tell you what you go do at a time. You know what's good for you. You know what's good for you.
We don't your female that person call.
Okay.
No that person call. You do work for the others. Hello. Hey, Ama. Okay. Okay.
Oh, you know why? When I was pretty large, I buy a winner. And when you call your kids, they are the funny and
almost I more.
So when I can say, bag no matter where you are, where they were holiday are called.
Almost.
Why I fear?
It's not going to be a good man. Most is it up on a most is it up on a good.
If we do marry or somebody, or we go away by with my way, and I would say, there. I'm very surprised now. Many things they go out here there. And I'm going to say, so we got to be able to get calling me. Even the time when I was like, I used to support my or I was I am okay. And all this to have for my name, calling a young in outside the mountain people. I'm a little this to have for my Wahala.
Baba said I'm a book. We were good and we book. Oh, Hameno.
No, it's my sister. No, I can't do that. I didn't dare you to do. There's so I don't get my phone. Any large Johnny, why is no way or cardboard by even on that Jana, just come down. When you play, every song or I would talk. I don't get the question. Why can't be? I will be like that. You don't see what you are saying. You are telling me, oh, I need you.
This one, so they happen for you. Who's they happen? Never reach 1 year. Never reach 1 year. Yet it was pretend. Me, I can't give myself stress. I know people they pretend that when they give myself stress. No. Okay. People will just look your eyes and if you say this simple, this one, almost that may be our sin. That may be our sin. The show was in the
just want to keep over. I don't know why now. I think that, okay, so it's not how you are, my brother. I want to beg you. I want to beg you now. Police, I want to tell you. I want to calm down. Who first? Where? When you don't discuss any words to anybody, or how you talk, or how calm down to you. Where? Or we been it, when I so we want last day. We see that when they say, I think the next thing I have to say, okay, it's cannot know if any mistake or I want to know what it is, yeah, but don't do that. I do that. And we go, my brother. So, why you last counter any time when you have when we make the answer? No, it's your own way, or good when you get them. We go your home, and where we go, where is my info? You go near the light. Or my own money, yeah. Yeah, what I want, we just work out last. Or I call down. Where also call down. You put it. And when we want you or one who is in the Cosita no Palo also, or I see. Again, it's not my brother so far. Thank you, ready to any time, but now we're going to go. As where it is on our way, also with Bakiari. And so we don't have where it gets on our way. You got more than really. Oh, we can back is all going on. I thought that we don't need anything to go even problems on you. What you know, about it, 12 hours, okay. Eh? So, when the rest, when you have money with them, they're married for power.
I'm not get. I'm not get.
Anyway, Jimmy can't get here all right. Yeah, I'm getting a lot to do, my brother. I don't need all this because you would have watched it or some of my American. So, what? Eh, so the my also because I don't need all this. So, the way this game will respect me, what yeah, I can anything I want to do. Yeah, I'm my junior sister. He was saying anything. I told her, my brother. So when you are when last talk, you last yourself, forget about that cycle. Calm down, yeah. Come back to you again, my brother. Relax. When you want to marry, because I know where is married to you. Where so I don't want to hear anything because they are recalling it. Then today you are getting it right. You stop everything online. In online, you have to meeting. I don't like I will be said to you. If you don't want to where are you, my money? When you like, you want to get you got you can't sit there, man. I don't need
Not be crazy, they be crazy. That one they call live video, call the food their food.
One of my brothers, so yours last yourself, then it gets out of license, I don't know what to do. And I will get back to you anytime. One of this is my life. When you are calling me, Maria Disco, that's the look of go. Just like a family. And to in the area, just like a family. Just for all four of us as a family together. One aware to buy I ain't got pretty. Just like that. We are being a doctor Maria. So the only story about when last year.
And they do this video. Make I know where I want to go bed. Waiting time they talk. This guy never still come out. This 11:30. 11:30. Man will come up for us. Push me. He pushed me. I fall down. Now I take come out. You know I never enter house.
Where they sleep?
And they call it, even question of where it doesn't get what report there, or back to call. So that is the money day. The man like it, or say, I'm calling it, no stop, no. Who that wish not when you say, I feel man say, I can't, so let you pull it on this. Because the marriage now, we're there is remarriage. Very day of the marriage, will live away, while I'm a holiday. I do better. You know, marriage now for our last sister. So don't that sister in the weather, or what are you going on? That's why I want to do this one. So everything I wanted to destroy by now. Don't narrate it to anybody. Where or say, or say so all thing ya say no call no go e kwa all say really went ba we so kwa ya ko so kwa ya ta ma wo no ya e ko aso be no one have have done we ma be ye da we marriage right so most of them be happy there and those are the things that when we have when now ya ya wa sorry because I know ya wa ya wa corner ya risky when we was when the bad to you. What am I doing? So all these things are bad laugh.
I tried my best. So I need to go rest. Everybody see and say, waiting time they talk. I cannot come out. Nobody go blame me when it goes set. When the music go start, make anybody not blame me. Uno go to now. No can yaya lawa or malawa. Where you wanted the word say in day by this kind of time. Where you wanted the word say in day by this kind of time. I don't like video today. My sister call him. He say no pick. He can't even call him again. Second time. He phone the ring, he not pick. I still know another person still call him again. Phone the ring, he not pick. When walk banning. When walk banning, make sure where Ugwa living where you maintain it stage. You know, I am maintaining. Make sure that you maintain where you want day and where you want stay. Now that one, now get for you another thing not there because all this one, so you not get anything you want give me because you not get what you want give me. If no can soon Baba this time now, oh now me a day after, I not day after those one. Now oh now day after.
The minute fast talk show. The minute fast talk the minute fast. Where the talk show.
Yeah, man, do waja. No, we might not just stay that side now. Party not data, nothing.
Dominion that they see
I
where
don't see Monica Frank for here. Monica Frank. I bet me share this video.
Will see you now.
Let's go to Evie.
Amuwa. You dey hear me? You know, Mamuwa. Wawa.
No plan finish. Well, let me share this video. Monica Frank, I know they see you here. I'm a big fast with that one. We will talk one-on-one yesterday. Surprise, I'm not there. I'm not see now for this live video. Udema Gala, my brother. This is a queen. I the bill to then I the bill I would be. Because someone I like would it be. The one I have, you know.
You know.
If you were so, we will do one saga. No problem. We did now. We did. My Jimmy will follow it.
That's all where you are with Jimmy now.
Now go and have video going about where.
So where you are with video.
It's here forgive you where. Because come back saying you are the same thing now. We might marry. May not say marry there. Maybe don't take on it. Maybe don't give away. Okay. The Dominicia. The very regular you have value give. You have value we. The very
we don't constitute nuisance on daily basis on cyberspace. We don't need more. And other one that are so disgusting, we don't need more. And when people start to call me, they start to disturb my energy. Even when I try to tell them that this is a prank, they don't believe me. When my entire prank, who cover me a prank, let me clear your doubts. Because
I don't know be a con. You know what thing? Larry. And why go away? I don't know. Even why I swam and why. You see where your problem lies. You don't know how to approach person. You don't know how to take the talk You don't know when you take get problem with person and when you not to get it with somebody. Come see wetin bring problem between me and you. Apart from pikin you understand the reason why I just first dislike you. When you say me and my husband get problem together, at the end of the day, when you want talk put, come tell me whether na pikin wey you born na you dey talk to like this, or na somebody wey you just know wey decided to take you closer to herself. Go down egbo, come listen to yourself. They know who herself. Come listen to yourself so that next time you no go they get problem with people easily because you don't know how to take talk for word. Come listen to yourself.
My people, I want sleepy jaw. So they don't start quarrel again. Make Dominion leave live video. He say his husband dey outside. Now he can't go bring old live video when they first take fight before. Now he can't dey play am. No see am. He say husband dey outside. Husband not enter house. Dominion, go sleep. People don't first see all those one before. If you say make you dey sit down wait for am, on top of chair when you sit down put sleep go take you for there before you say make you open eye, they go break. Wow. They go break. Only wow. That time, why Aiko, you the truth stay outside. Eh? You don't marry. Eh? I first say that day when this woman they crawl for ground, I first know say a great toloy. I first know say but this this woman. Now make her they roll for ground. Today they will say na prank. Tomorrow they will say na fight. Whether na fight now, whether na prank now, it no concern us. We the blogger and the analyzer, we are the analysis. If una dey do one, we will the analyzer. Papa, what? Huh? Remote. This thing face me. It not near you. Why you what? If you like they do a prank, we were if you tell the analyzer na prank. Now we see the I can't understand. You know, say we they analyze now here now this place now we for the analyze on a matter. You know, consign us. The man we say 12. Wait till I talk. This is to 1 to 12. This is to 12. 11:40. No one enter house. No worry, go enter house. Tomorrow you go come house. Then I don't understand that today. Tomorrow la, I'll see call every day. I'll use chair to sit down. But I just dey do one like that. You know why I stop her? Where she dey talk to mama. I no want me I play there. No good there again.
For word. Come listen to yourself. Because you're the Ganana. You fit do again this time. You go fit do again this time. The answer is no.
That's why if you still use up on that side.
If I accept her, she said her husband not dey house. She dey live.
Now make her do it. If I don't know now, they know. They pass the number where I still put this phone. It deal with me for a year.
if she wan talk now, later dem come say na Frank. Their own now na Frank, no be Frank again. The man don still comot for house. Na he come use chair sit down now. Dey talk about the man. Na see am. The Dominion go sleep tomorrow. The man will come house. Na so e dey be sometimes. And you know wetin? Na wetin una carry come o, whether na truth o, whether na lie o, for our eye, na truth, no be lie. Na truth, no be lie, because no be only una dey Facebook. No be only una dey Facebook. Wetin we wan tell, wetin I wan tell you, IK. If you dey true go outside go dey sleep, e no good o. You go regret am for future. Men when they leave their family for house, that time they go arrange cloth for luggage. They will go stay woman house. They will spend 1 week for one woman house. They will come on for there. They will go another woman house. They'll go spend 1 week. They'll come on for there. They'll go another woman house. They'll go spend 1 week. A whole month. They'll use and take visit almost 4 guests. Today now, if you see them, they're useless. They are the most useless men. The time when they want to arrange their family, they don't arrange their family. Now say, you see, if now what they do, now your wife through the complaint put, make I tell you, you not go like him. When time will come. Oh, I get month for a year. This month they hungry me. Yeah. Sure say these children, they never come pick. I get month for a year. This month they hungry me, but I no want drink. I no want chop again. You see, what do they want to do? I don't know if not be prank. Na really wetin dey happen to una for family now. Na dey bring come outside. So if you continue like this, I don't say I be mothers. If you like make una dey craze, no concern me. Una craze no dey reach where I dey, cause I dey get medicine when I dey give una. If you continue like this, you dey live am for house, you dey go outside, sleep for outside, come. I don't see man when they do that, e no good though. They frustrate to Iko. And if you they do and make you stop out, you go frustrate to the time you come frustrate, oh. Women will come they use you content they do caricature. Women no come respect you again. Ask some men today. Some go marry for year, give woman belle, go this one. Some don't go Nigeria, go marry, don't reach 3 times. Still yet, their marriage no work. If you dey sleep outside as a man, you be husband, I be waiting you be, I don't know. If you dey true sleep outside, bro, remove your hand. No boss, because you know like her. True. You know like her. The time when you come, you know what, as you dey young so, if you talk to guy go they follow you. If you talk to guy they follow. At the end of the day, you see all those guys when you friend throw away that time, you come meet them. That time they'll say, if you come to spin their girlfriend, they'll say that woman don't marry now, it don't born. Maybe if you can't see your girlfriend, come to spin, they'll say, hey, get one guy when they spin me. You go say, which guy be that one? You go say, you get the picture. You go come show. You go say, you don't know this useless man. Make the gog. You know waiting people they feel say men not the gog. Make the gog. You know they show for their face. Make go gog for children not dey with them. You know say some men dey this life. Children not dey with them. That thing they happen for Nigeria that year. That thing they happen for Nigeria that year. All those men when they marry. If people any woman when born for and finish, if the woman they come out, you go carry pikin come out. Not be all polygamous man. Not be woman they follow stay. No be all polygamous man women they follow stay. So as they die here, they will say this man, you know how many women don't enter this house? You know how many women don't born? They'll say, where the children? They'll say if the women come out, they carry their children follow body. If you can't read, then only the man go come day. Before you go waka, you go still marry another one. Marry and come house. That one go still born. You go still live on. Now you they see some men. Those men and then later when they go old, they can't go they chook hand for small children. This thing, bekus. It day that time now everybody don't abandon them. Every woman don't know them. You can see say the woman, you no get wife, you no get children. You get children, oh. All children don't waka comot. If you can sit down that if you see say small pikin dey hawk fish dey go, you say women henre, you go carry fish go give am. Now some women when go there go say my pikin no carry fish go meet that man. If you want sell for am, if you say me bring am for inside, I'll not go. Why? They no men when they no respect women, they marry people for house, they no respect their women. They see girlfriend for outside, they no respect girlfriend. When I no say it dey, man, you go get wife for house, you no go respect his wife, you go dey disrespect his wife. You go see get girlfriend, you go see they disrespect his girlfriend. You go leave his wife for house, you go carry back go his girlfriend house. You go see from his girlfriend house, still from your girlfriend house. So you go tell girlfriend say if they come, he go from there go meet another girl. Una see, the man go carry back comot for your house, your family house. He go leave his wife, he go leave his children. He go carry back go girlfriend house. When he go reach that girlfriend house, he go see from there comot go another girlfriend house. As the mate today, wetin they use their life do. Their mate when they face their family, face their wife, face their children. Today, they enjoy. They go sit down, pikin go bring water for them. If their papa never come, go say, Daddy, where are you? Papa will say, I'm close to house. Papa will say, son, where are you? Say, Daddy, I'm home. Daughter, where are you? Go say, Daddy, I'm home. Now, if say you they do this thing, Dominion husband, say even he say na prank, oh, you they do, because this one not be prank again. Later now, if he can't enter house now, Dominion call you Chelsea. That hey, na prank with the duo, na lie, not there also. On our head, you are be good. This one not let you now. Use paper cover again. Now waiting some men day. They frustrated. They Europe. They don't get children with them for house. They don't get woman with them for house. They frustrate. If you see some, so don't old past their age. They don't frustrate. They frustrate to progress. They frustrate to reach where their mates reach. They frustrate to use better thing they do for life. The best car when their mate they ride, they know they ride down. The best wife when their mates marry, they can't stay with the wife, the beautiful wife with children. They don't get. If you see some now ugly women, now that they marry up and down, because they don't get, the men don't get choice again. The time when he dey young girl and young as Dominion husband just young, so as Dominion husband dey so he no go ever thought say he go old o. That is the problem when they get. Nobody go ever, as we dey live for this life, they go, we no go they ever they think say we go old one day, we go maneuver one day. No, we no dey ever think am. We no dey ever think am. If this man, if you dey true sleep outside, my dear, because this woman they always they complain say you they sleep outside, you they sleep outside. To be frank and sincere, oga, you no go like am for future. Your once you don't reach, you know where he wants start. You know where he wants start to they disturb you. May I tell you where he wants start to they disturb you? As they do now, you see this woman now. If not true, now Dominion they talk so. I don't say Dominion, you not see good though. For Facebook. If you like me Dominion, they craze. It not consign me. where they call you this video now, not be only Dominion, not be at the talk. Some people dey here now when their husbands still they do that thing. I know say Dominion, that one they craze. But when he reach husband and wife, I be that person when be say, let their home, let them be happy. Yes, let them be happy. This man now, the age where this man dey now, I think Dominion husband now, if he dey close, they go 40 years now. If he dey close, they go that age now. You know what here? Why it be like that? It be like say, if we marry, I don't know. If you don't they go 40 years now, they say fool at 40 is a fool forever. If you don't reach 40 years, okay, if you don't reach 40 years, say you dey true sleep outside, bro, cut am off. I know what they talk. I'm not that stupid. You see that outside when you dey sleep, cut am off. Anytime if he make you enter 41, 42, 43, you think say you still dey young. Before you go know, you see this Dominion, you no go see her again. You see that pikin when he born for you, you no go see her again. You go come there everywhere. You go call the friend that time and you don't dare. You go call the judge. This one on Facebook now you the judge now. You can't go for road. You can't the judge for people they go. You see what my wife do me. You see what my wife do me. You see what my wife do me. You can't the judge they go. Now people when know you that time. Now they come they talk say this man this man wife. He wife complain for Facebook. Nobody greet take am for his hand. Wetin this woman they pass through so many women they pass through this thing. But this woman, if you cannot come Facebook, people will think say, I want to talk for this matter. Whether not prank, whether not be prank. This thing when they happen so, when she tell they do prank so, it they happen to many people when they did their husband house now at this moment. She they cry come out now. People they say now prank, now they do. She when they cry come out now, she not get problem oh. She dey cry come and say make una come see o, because the day now when be say this woman now she don't cross her mind, she no want again. You go first just shout. You know why this woman they shout now? When people they say na prank she they do, na prank she they do. Good evening, my personal person, how you dey? Godwin Rose. People will say na prank they do, na prank they do. She know they do prank. This is reality. This is waiting it day. Many women don't experience this thing. Many old school women don't experience this thing. Even the young women now, they experience this thing when this woman they experience. Only say they don't get who they go tell. As this woman they talk and so. Now person when they feel patient. Women when you know how to patient. You see this thing when the man they do so they put on for laugh. They put her for laugh. The man go they feel say the woman love them. You say, hey, now wow, you they go out again. You say hi. You say no worry, you go come now. You go they put her for life. The woman go they laugh. Until one day, the woman suffer carry children. Go suffer waka. The man go there everywhere. Go they shout. They go, hey, my wife don't leave me. Hey, my wife don't leave me. Hey, my wife. You see that my wife. I can't see her for here. You come from here. Come on. You can't see her for here. Come from here. You go come talk. And if you want start to the lie, if the man want start to the lie, not be people when you know and know your wife. Not be go the lie for now stranger when be say they don't know, because now those one not go believe her. The people when you know as Dominion own now. They draw now. Now we they see her now. If your husband now don't frustrate now, say Dominion say he no want again now. The man no go come they tell us. Now people for us when they don't know her. Now he go come they tell. All those one will come they pity for her. Because when we dey now, when we know, we no go pity. So women don't experience that kind of thing. This woman, she they come now, she they cry out now. People they say now prank. She know they do prank. Now wait till she they experience be that. If this man enter house tomorrow now, he go use chest sit down. Wait till they do that live video when they do last night. Now lie oh. This something not they happen. My sister, now truth. Now where she want shout, how she want to present her, now she dey present her so. Now so she go come do. Who are they talk to now? Are they talk to the husband when dey? Before you go know now, this woman, she get where she go shout reach, she don't forget you. One, most of those men no know say that they kill that love when that woman get for them. As Dominion they shout now, people never listen to her. They say na prank. This man no know say the love when this woman get for her now, she dey kill am small, and he dey kill the love small. He dey kill the love. The man no know say they kill the love. One day now, this woman will just make just small decide. He go say no. Even he say Jesus Christ go from heaven come beg am. He go say he no dey gree again. Because why? One, that love don't expire. You don't hate the man be that. The man come dey talk. Even he say the man dey cry, they open eye like this. You no go mind na again. Because e don dey cry now. People they say na life na they do, na this one na they do. That time na she when they cry now, she no come dey cry again. The man go come dey cry. You see, and the man go come dey cry. He go cry, go here, nobody go answer. He go cry, go here, nobody go answer. He go dey craze. Then before you go know, you don dey age. You don dey age. You know, come see Dominion again. As you don't leave Dominion now, wetin you want carry now? Yeah. Scissors, where scissors dey? Oh, come carry this thing here. One small scissors dey there. You want to lose your hair? If there is one small this thing forget. You don't see her. But why they ask me where is scissors? Well, I don't say now if you want dey kitchen, the one wey they use for kitchen, they cook for kitchen, una comot am. Now they carry the scissors up and down. That my scissors for kitchen now, I don't know where una carry and put. You see her? Now, this thing when this man they sleep outside now. Now by this time, if na truth, and we know say this thing when una it don't reach to this woman now. It don't feel cry come out the first time. The one day, and the time when with the mama Vieroyo they do this thing, can't see cry come out. This is the third one now. She don't see cry come out. The same thing. They don't they do another prank. Now so this prank now that they do. They know another prank no day. People go do prank today. Next tomorrow no another prank. Next month no another prank. No be the same prank. This one are still the same prank. Then now you are they talk to now. Then you know what they worry you now. Oh, you never know what they worry you. What they worry you now? Now the most foolishness on this head where you go gog. Now they worry you so. Because if you therefore now you can't talk to woman. Now so hello. How you there now? Now so you know say you dey fool yourself, you dey destroy your life be that. Before you come do this woman now don't waka. And you see, and you say if you leave that first fight, one of first fight, your wife they play on just now. You say if you leave your wife, you go carry single mother. Did you see some men do one? As they leave their wife, leave them, they go carry single mother. The single mother when they carry, they still dump her. They still carry another girl. Another girl when they still marry, they still dump her. They carry up and down. So don't go Nigeria, don't go marry rich how many times. Still yet, you no gree work for them. Because why? God, karma. The white people say karma is a bitch. Karma. You never know karma. If karma they worry you, you go turn you upside down, you go scatter you. All your escape road, all of them go open. Wow. You know, we'll see where I hide again. You come the shame. That time you go the if small people play where rich where because you don't get children. You don't know the taste of children. How children take they sweet. How children take they follow papa they play. How children take they follow papa they come on. If you see say another person, another man with his children, the man will start to the I bet these children they too they make no. I bet these children can't they come out for that. I bet these children they too they make no because why? They don't frustrate. They don't want to see a father happy with their children because they don't get the one when they get their useless life made them frustrate themselves. Now this mama, now they poor hand. Now so you can't do, you can't enter 45. 45, man of 45, still very young. Because they see say still young, he's still young. If he dey enter anywhere where he say women sit down, put you go there. You go say this guys when they on just fine no. I beg. Any if you you go just say now wow. Before you know, you go still go pay bride price. Now they can pay bride price if they thought to get the guy will say no. I don't want boyfriend and girlfriend though. I want bride price. They say, no worry, I'll marry you. Makan, you go pay bride price. Before that one will come see, as I look you, as you find rich like this, I can't say, yeah. Man, when you find rich like this, you don't get wife for house. Yeah. Man, when you see man for house, I find rich like that, you don't get wife for house. You know, say the man a useless man. You know how many women don't dump her. You know how many women don't dump her. If you look here, you no go see woman again. If you look here, you no see woman again. If you look this side, you no see woman again. If you look back, you no go see woman again. You don't go. Make they go. They'll come they lonely. Some go say they marry. They no go see the woman when they marry. They'll say they get children. They no go see the children when they get. The mama of the children with the children, they don't they live okay, they live fine. In now, you'll see some of them. You when your pikin don't grow, your children don't grow. Some of your children, some of them, their children don't reach 25 years, 23 years, 20 years, 21 years, 19 years, 18 years. Your children don't grow. As a man, say if you be true responsible man, you want to go they marry again, want to they born again. How you want to take care of those children? And the first one when you first get, you not take care of them. You see all those men. So they 5 baby mama born for them. Since when they leave their wife with their children, 5 baby mama born for them. They no confess stay with that 5 baby mama. Someday you don't marry 2 wives. You know they work. Someday they don't marry 3 wives. You know they work. The character when they show for the first wife, they go show to baby mama. The time when they stay with the first wife, they go carry back, they go outside. It did that time. Now many women they cry that time now. Yes, many women they cry that time. They waiting one can do. Before you know, the man will come frustrate. Yeah, men they frustrate too. Does he say, man, women fool everywhere now. I'll go marry now. But you, how you will stay with the woman? Your first wife, una not there again. As you leave your first wife, you go friend single mother. You leave the single mother. You go give woman belly. You give the single mother born for you. You leave and leave pikin. You go get another one again. You give am belly. You don't born. You leave and leave pikin. You get another one again. You give am belly. You leave and leave pikin. Before you know, you enter inside single mother. You begin to some single mother don't born for her when you first born for. But see when you no fit stay with the children. There is some men they don't fit stay with their family. Now woman when be say he don't be single mother. You don't fit get 1 pikin or you get 2 pikin. You fit go, the man go fit stay with that woman. He no go fit stay. Now so they'll come do the man go come frustrate. Did you know that there is some men today, so don't spend 24 years, 23 years, 25 years. Come reach today, their life not stable for abroad. Now there you see some men when irresponsible. They free work, they buy house, their children with a wife, they under the same roof. They take care of your wife, take care of your children. Now the same time they take come. Sunday, come reach today. They find happy and way. They can find happy and way. Why they talk that this one, my bro, IK. This one, first time na prank, second time na prank. Now the third time na when your wife they cry for Facebook be this one. I know say tomorrow now she go come insult me. I know they talk to you dominion. I know say na shout na cry because they cry. But now IK now they talk. Some people will say, if I leave that woman, if I leave that woman, women there outside now go marry. No be all men when he leave their first wife, when he go they marry again. No be marriage favor. Someday, since when they leave their first wife, they don't give women belly, they don't get children for outside. Since when they leave their first wife, they get women don't born for them for outside. They don't marry, so don't marry reach 2 times, so don't marry reach 3 times. The marriage no work. What the people not believe for this life, What it will work for Mr. B, it not go work for Mr. C. Especially if God calls you. Did you know that there is some people? If you see some men when marriage they work with, they leave wife and first wife, they go marry. If you see some men when that marriage they work for, second marriage they work for, no say that man a nice person. Now the woman I know nice. Man, when be say the first wife leave her, he go carry single mother. After I don't do with the single mother leave her. He go carry other single mother again. After I don't do with the single mother, and the single mother, they born for them. That is the 2 single mother now. He leave her. Then after he don't leave the single mother now, the one when they friend then now they know they can't and John now. But I also say the one when they born for them now they can't. Then before you know, when he leave, some go leave their wife, they will go meet one girl, they will give the girl belly, the girl will come born. He no go marry the girl. He go leave that girl, he go come still go jam on another girl again. He no go, that girl go still born, or he with that girl fit play. The girl see say the character no good, he go. Someday, if man with his wife no dey, the cunning one when dey inside, no wetin that they talk. If he wants go get girlfriend again, go talk say na him wife no good. And if you be woman when no they calculate where you don't for put. And then they get sweet mouth where they can get sweet mouth. And after I leave his wife now, wait till he go meet. He leave his wife na single mother. How can a man leave his wife and his children? Na single mother na he go meet. And not be say na young girl na he go meet. You see, they'll come they fall. Some of them they don't marry for Europe. They fall go back to Africa, go marry. And the place where they for marry, if now Benin they for marry, if now Lagos they for marry, if now Abuja they for marry, they fall from Europe fall go back, go marry for maybe as they marry their wife they Lagos or their wife they Abuja or they Benin. Then let's say for example now, man marry now for abroad. If with the woman when marry for abroad, they not they again. He come from abroad for go back, go Nigeria, go marry for Benin. As he come see marry for Benin now, the marriage no work. If from Benin, he will come from Benin for go back, go marry for Ugo Gyobo. Wait till that one be. That man, he don't finish be that. There is no way that man can make it in life. From abroad for go marry for abroad. Marriage no work again for abroad. You use the hand to scatter. Then I want marry. As he reach Benin now, he see woman marry. He married the woman for Benin. No say and I from abroad for go back, go marry for Benin. After I see marry for Benin now, he never still to take. You see from Benin, see go reach one village. The woman when marry for Benin with the woman no dey again. When you go come reach Ugo Gyobo, now you go see woman for there. You go still go pay the woman bride price. You see the fall when the woman they fall. If from light fall go if from light fall go meet lamp, no lamp now, no say lamp still, you still mature, lamp still mature pass orukpi way. If from this light for abroad, if from the light fall go meet lamp, e come from lamp fall go meet orukpi way. You know, she said that man, he can never make it again for life from real lights. This one when they up so. See, I don't want to see now. Now, if you see, lamp. See, you see, this is lamp. Okay. If from there, four go meet. You see this one? If from this one four go meet that one that time when they use kerosene, you go get glass lamp. If from this light four go meet lamp, that one when they get this that time they go hold on. It come from that one four go for rukmi way. You see, that means say if from abroad, leave your wife from abroad, they not there again. It come fall from abroad go land for Bini. Now something now they talk, so can't go land for Bini. Then as he can see marriage for Bini now, the marriage not work. As he can reach Ugo Gyobo, he can't see woman for Ugo Gyobo. He can't fall for lamp go meet Orukmiwe. Orukmiwe is the lowest lamp when person they use Orukmiwe. And I know she said that man not go ever make am for life again. There is no way that man will make it. More day they break, more age they add on in age. The time when he want to walk, now that time he take the waka, they leave the children for house, leave the wife for house, waka, leave the people for house, they go sleep women, house to house. The man don't know say they go himself. Just like waiting dominion they take shots now. Waiting dominion they shout. If to say true to say I can they go work tomorrow, I can supposed to day house by this time. If I can enter house now, she go come use I can sit down say and a prank now we do. You cannot use one thing, one particular thing. You have to do prank 3 times. It's not possible. No matter how that prank go sweet rich. KO family when they say they do prank. KO family no they use one thing to do prank. Go do them again, repeat again. No. I don't know who they talk to. We know say not be prank. Then from abroad marry, he use the heart to dissolve abroad marry. Then when he come visit Nigeria now, he see woman for Benin now. He marry, okay, good night, Papa. He marry woman for Benin. People come they feel say the one when marry for abroad, now he no good. Before you know, the one when marry for Benin go say this one useless. Now he make come from abroad for come Nigeria, come marry. Then from the one when marry for Benin now, if that one come say na useless man no good. If you don't see reach one village like Ugwadolo, you reach Ugwadolo, Ugogyobo, you see woman for there, you go say he go call the speak the woman. The woman say no, I don't want boyfriend because he don't come for abroad. I don't want boyfriend. I don't want marry. He go say no worry, I will pay your bride price. I don't be only bride price. How much be bride price? You will go marry for Ugwadolo from Europe for go Benin City. From Benin City for go the deep village when they inside Benin. Now no say that man can never rise. The chances when he want to build the life, you don't miss am when they 38, 26. A successfully man, if they abroad from 30 something, he don't already they build the career, don't already work. Before you go come, they say don't they reach like 40 years old, you don't try. You go fit buy house. So they spend, if they don't dey 35 years, depends the way when they take enter abroad, depends of the age. Maybe most of them enter abroad when they dey 25. Maybe if you can't reach like that 30 something, you don't dey try. Maybe you don't marry. From there, play. Cause if they work for fabrica, you know, when you they work, you get official work. You they work, you get contracts. They go work all the time. If you want buy house, you go buy house because you get ready to buy house. You don't already get contract when you go take buy house. Then the man will come buy house. The wife and the children come dey there. Don't they plan a career? Before he go reach 45 years, he not go dey strong go again. Before he go reach 50, now relax. His children don't grow. His children don't grow. You don't get 23 years, 24 years, 25 years, depends so 19 years, 18 years, 15 years, 13 years. 13 years will be last born. Yes, if he born, say born plenty, 13 years will be last born. You see, huh? The demand is okay. When men don't dey around that kind 48 years, they don't dey 48 years. This old school when they enter that time. When they don't reach 48 years, they don't already work. They don't already buy house. They don't already deal with their family. They don't already balance. They know how to manage things when it come their way. Because why? He follow up. But if na man when not they sleep house, when not they go work, if he still reach 40 years, he go be like he died. Did you know that there is some men when they say they don't do 50 years for Europe, they don't spend 25 years for Europe? You know, say they be like he died. He died better pass them. He died, they go say, I will say, he no say now, so he go be. If for not waka reach like this, he died better pass them. Some of those men, some of them don't get house. They don't have house of their own. They don't get. He dey for this abroad. They carry bag up and down. They waka, they carry bag up and down. You know, as they come feel say, as this one now, wife they say, if they go outside, they know they come. He go feel say this thing way they do so, na enjoyment. At the end of the day, guess when you they take they do all those things, all those girls, all of them go don't marry. The one when be say marriage no still favor, you go there with your children, go there okay. This one when your wife they complain, you know they sleep house, so you know they sleep house, you know they sleep house, you know they sleep house. See the time, you know enter house. Now what did they happen with this woman? Like this woman they talk so. For this one, I know they blame this woman. But if this man now no quick change, he go regret. By the time when this woman don't make up her mind, say no want again, this man go beg for grant, beg for up. This woman no go listen to her again. They be like that. You'll see many men today. They are suffering is because of what they do. The age when they want to arrange their family. This woman, she don't just cry for nothing. This cry when she they cry, so this lament when they lament, so God when they heaven, if they hear, oh, now it be the karma. If this man not change, if I cannot change, now it be the karma when go worry IK in future. Truth. Now it be the karma when go worry IK for future. Karma day. That time, you know, can't even see children. This is picking when born. I know can't see picking. Women when they outside, we say, I beg. If you want to go, make you go. Women for everywhere. If you want to make you go, do can't walk by. That time, you go even see the women self. They will not take you serious. They will not say you be responsible and you not be better man. Because the character, you can't hide it. Oh, man when they carry back come for house. They visit for one woman house to house. The man can never change. If you like make the man reach 50-something years, you know they change. You know they change. If you want change, as you don't marry, don't get wife, you go change. Once you don't reach 40 years, still they do and you know go change. I make the white people say a fool at 40 is a fool forever. If you like, Only waiting they will deceive woman. Most of those men, where did they go marry now? Na Nigeria. Then the Nigeria women, they know they take no sense. You no fit their house. Nigerian man no dey sleep aside. No matter how Nigeria men go get concomba rich for Nigeria. Whether na concomba, be waiting they call them. No matter how they go get rich, they go date the woman house. When you don't reach in the evening, they go house. Unless say the man get two wives. The two wives, they don't live for the same house. The man, if the man go his second house, you must know, the wife must know say na his second house they go. He no go sleep with another woman for outside. No Nigeria man. Any Nigeria man when he sit and say he no dey sleep, where he want see sleep? He no get where he want see sleep. Go come on for his house. Where he want sleep? I be call the friend girlfriend. The girlfriend when they sleep, he want go sleep the girl papa house. They can't learn that what is some they do now. The one when he come for Europe now, what is they can't they do now? They go lodge hotel. Because if the character when they live for Europe that time, because all those guys when they friend that time, they get one room. And that character no dey Nigeria. There is no guy when you see say he carry one room. He not be like abroad. So no guys, all of them dey their parents' house. Where you want see one, where they want see one. All those men when they, you know the character when they use. You know for Europe, guys now they get one room. Some 2 guys now, like some 5 guys now, they go dey 3-bedroom apartment. This one dey, this one dey, this one dey. If they just carry bag, they'll just different one for inside. They'll carry bag, they'll go stay there. For Nigeria, you know, if as a girl, no go get your room. No go get your room. Now, when they do those things, they come say they get opportunity to deflect because all those guys when they friend that time, when they go say 1 week, spend 1 week for a year, go another guy house again, go spend 2 weeks, go another guy house again, go spend 3 days, go another guy house again, go spend sometimes now 1 month. Now something they spend 1 month for outside, so they spend 2 months for outside. They can't deceive themselves, they fool themselves, they feel say now their partner. Now they fool. Then as they call, you know, say the character, there is no character Europe women they bear. There is no character Nigeria women no go bear. Then when they come marry, when they go reach Nigeria, they come marry, they know they sleep house. Now, if you don't see woman has to sleep, but if he carry woman, he will go carry the woman, go hotel. If he spend, he go Nigeria. Some of them, their mates go Nigeria, go do business. The useless one when they here, they go Nigeria. They lodge for hotel to hotel, hotel to hotel, hotel to hotel. They go. They fit carry woman, and because it don't take their blood, they fit carry woman. They fit go stay for hotel for 3 days, 1 week. They will dey with the woman. Then the wife now when he marry for us, we come they say, where you dey? Go say I did business. You know say na abroad now for come now. You get one business when I carry come abroad. He go there, that's the same community. If na Lagos, he go there Lagos. He go tell you say he dey Abuja, he dey Lagos. If na Benin, he dey Benin. He go tell you say he dey go Lagos. You see their character. Then the money when he want to do this, he can't they do that rubbish this way they do for Europe. He can't reach Nigeria. Only where he only waiting different. When you see say he different, if he speak girl no go do rich. Make the girl carry and go to papa house. Make the man go spend 1 week for a papa house. It's not possible. Then you go carry the girl, go carry and go hotel. They'll go stay for hotel. Money when you go take better, money when you go take buy cement, money when you go take the bill house, you go to use and take the pay for hotel. You go carry the guy go, if the bathroom, you carry the guy go restaurant, they'll go eat for restaurant. After restaurant, you go back to that hotel. The life when you live for Europe, you can't they live for Nigeria. The time when they go meet the girlfriend for Europe, you know they pay house rent. You just go there, spend 1 week, go carry back, you come on, you go another one again, spend 1 week. Because house when you know they live, there is no way you can they pay house rent. Because you they friend the girl and the girl no. Then the little money when be say he's supposed to put for business small, he can't they use until they pay hotel for Nigeria. because the guy when they friend now, you know, if he enter a parent's house, because most girls they don't get one room. Even if say you see Nigerian girls now, 3 feet they one room for Nigeria, yes. Don't be for Lagos now. They feed they one room. You know, just come stay for inside where 3 girls they. Then you can carry the girl, you can carry and go hotel. The money when you carry reach Nigeria, even if say na 1 million go carry go Nigeria, na 2 million carry go Nigeria, you go spend that for hotel finish. That time wife go come the call her, where you dey? He go say, na business. Everywhere will say, now wow. For how many days? Almost 1 week, because that 1 week, Eke market day, 7 market day. Oh yeah, Eke Afo. Oh yeah, Eke Afo. Okwo. It could be cost. That's 7 days. When 7 days, 1 week, 1 week, if you get sore for leg, if you injure now, if they press and press and press and press, the doctor will say after 7 days, can remove the wait till the taste stitcher. 1 week, can remove the stitching. Everything now 7 days. Now 7 days. That's 1 week when they spend for woman house. That inside that 1 week, he go fit use 4 days to do better things for inside that 1 week. The remaining 3 days, no problem. And the remaining 2 days, no problem. Inside that 7 days, if you use 4 days, if you use 5 days, the remaining 2 days, that is Saturday and Sunday, that is the day when many people take the rest, like Fabrica. Some Fabrica not dey open Saturday. Kukuma on Sunday, they not dey help. You see that 5 days? Now it be human being, real life. Now it be your life. That week when they go work, that is your life. That is where you will be successfully. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. That is where you will be successfully. Now then, I saw men, their mate go they use until they plan something for life. They go use until the woman house. You go there Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 days. Nothing. What you use the 7 days to do? Nothing. Not to the I did now. I just there. I travel now. I travel 1 week. Yes, I travel 1 week. After 1 week now, I'll go house. You know, see, don't use less. 1 week, you don't use less. After for that 1 week now, don't spend for that girl house now. Because you see from that girl stroke, from that girl house stroke come on. See the spin girl for that area. Then you go see go friend the girl. You go tell the girl say if they go somewhere. The girl no go say now the same city there. Now he dey. Maybe now another person will tell us say I will see your boyfriend for with one girl. Go see from his girlfriend house. Go another girlfriend house. Go spend 3 days for there. See the days when don't spend for there. I don't spend 1 week for his girlfriend house. Another girl when you see for road, you don't spend 3 days for there. 3 plus 7. How many be that one? That one not be 10 days. It just useless in life for that 10 days. The life is useless. There is no add to it, no minus, no plus. You just now zero. You just get for there. You just do the zero like this boy. Who can read me now? Who could point your at the soil? You see, I say useless. Man, why they thought this one? There is on your breast now. The feet they here they wash me. Not the only woman they wash person. You say, wow, wait till this woman they talk is truth. You know. Then also that they waste their life 7 days. Out of that 7 days, they woman have the character when they get for Europe, they go carry and reach Nigeria. The woman when they Nigeria, strange character. Wow, this man not the sleepers. This man not the sleeper. He go they lie. That woman come they catch him for lie. Come they catch him for lie. Come they catch him for lie. So the woman when they Nigeria say, okay. Now this one I made the woman when carry when marry before no fee stay with her. Okay. After I leave that, after he go Nigeria go marry now. The woman when marry for Nigeria now that is second wife. That one go leave her. Before you go know, you go see another one marry. Because they quit marry. Because why those women when they Nigeria they marry them? Now hungry. Now hungry. Yes, now hungry. Some go even know say this man don already marry reach 2 wife. They no care. They go enter because why they come for abroad. Now so they go now so go do do. The second wife that one go no hand no dey. Before you know the third wife no go stay. The third wife must come out. Ebe be the first wife no rekpa no. The third wife he must still come out because he's a karma. Karma don't meet the man. He can never stay. One, you know, if he progress. The real men when be say they know what they can do for abroad. Some get hotel, some get filling station, some get houses when they rent. And if you see the house, oh, from the foundation, from the foundation go reach the roofing. If you see some. Where they will ask you say who they build this house, where this person for they come, you say this one a frustration. Waiting they're supposed to do in the evening. Most men now, when they enter abroad that time, most of them don't relocate go Nigeria. They control their hotel. Some get filling station, some get company, some they do business. Some day if they go Nigeria, before they reach Nigeria, waiting the ship go Nigeria, go reach Nigeria. Some day now only luggage, buy ticket, finish. If they reach Nigeria, come on this one, they no go sell. They no go see carry go. Come on this one, they no go see carry go. Now there you go see some men that they go. If their container they arrive, they arrive. Some day they arrive. Now time they arrive before their container. You see, those are the men that have brain. If you say now only second hand day, now second hand. If you reach Nigeria, go see something say. They say useless man. They say useless men. When people say they don't already use their life, don't already frustrate. Either they go Nigeria and only luggage. No business when he go say he carry rich. If you see some guys that they carry go Nigeria, they go carry car. That car they go fill am with wine, different thing. He go sell that car. He go sell the wine when they inside. He go sell everything when they inside. He go say the things when he carry follow body come, he sell am. He go say he reach 7,000, he reach 7 million. So we say he reach 5 million. They still get on top. The useless one when don't use less. Not only luggage go carry go. The luggage when one carry go, now cloth dey inside. The cloth when dey inside that luggage, you go they wear and they use until they find women up and down. Go they use until they find women up and down. There is some crazy people. They no sleep for us. Now cause some more. Man when you want go fabrica tomorrow, now you want sleep for outside. You no go sleep for outside. There is no way you must come house, come sleep. If this woman, as they cry so, people they say, hey, stop that they cry. You don't know before you marry her. You don't know before you marry her. But you get a person go do something rich for this life, it go change. Some of them gog, some of them frustrate. Children not there with some of them. Some of them don't know where their children dey. Some of them they are frustrated, they gog, they don't know where their children dey. Did you see it? That is life. This woman they shout now. This woman, what she's doing here is not prank, it's real. But why I just put this little story now? For the guy, okay, she don't come on, see her. See her. You see her? Oh, and the pity for her for yeah. I know say she insult me that day. Oh. See her? I feel pity for her. You see? You see? This one not be prank. This one is real. Women when be say they know something, they know what this lady is passing through. I know what this lady they pass through so. Some women we know. Even boyfriend, ordinary girlfriend, boyfriend or girlfriend, so don't experience this thing when this woman they pass through. It's somebody that is If this woman dey happy, now once they take they know, you go dey see it. No see am. The battery don't weak. Make we go sleep. See am. You can see she has stress. See am. You know, see her. She's not happy. And as this man they do this woman, so this man they feel say he dey on top. And all those things when they suffer this woman, so if God want to bless this woman, God go bless her, God go put her for high place. And if I can go they look at that time, I can no go fit. He go they tell the woman, say he go call they call the woman people. Because they call the woman people, you know, see her, I don't beg, I no agree. I don't beg, I no agree. Now, other account, now, later, if I cannot change, now other account, now I can go come they look this woman. She go they even they wait, which time Dominion go take on live video. He go come be Dominion, He go come they use fake account and they watch Dominion. Anytime when Dominion they live video, now you go dey watch. Okay, now truth that they tell you. Truly speaking, should they sleep outside? You know waiting here. If you not just want this woman, just let this woman say, I don't want you. So that the woman say, okay, you don't want me. Okay. The marriage una go cut her. But this treatment, when you they treat her so, now the one when God go take punish you for future. And if God they punish you, you look up, look everywhere. You not go work. You don't see just now, the one when you happen that time. You say if you leave Dominion, you say you go carry single mother. Now so, not be you they start, and so many days. It's a go. The mother no go work, so go marry one car. They'll say, if you see wife when I marry now, if you see wife when I marry now, they'll call they drive themselves like who they drive you get do. Now like this, they call if you see wife when I marry now, before you know, the woman will still live there. Because the one come they use that one till they do this thing. They know say the marriage is the once that first marriage spoil, it don't spoil. Now the way they do this woman. Look at she's not happy. Yeah, she's not happy. See, I see her. She's she's not happy. This is not prank. This is real. You know what? I see there here, so God know the pay. I pity for her for a year. I don't say she don't insult me, but I feel pity for her for a year. If I feel pity for person, it's something they you'll be like say you can't see my eye don't change. I feel pity for her for a year. And the pain when she they pass through now, you don't know for you to they punish somebody, just let that person go. Tell the person your mind. So there's that mind now truth. Tell the person your mind. If you want to tell your person, let me say the truth. Now you want to tell the person, say, Dominion, I don't want to marry you again. No, cut this marriage. She go know her fate. She know go they under your punishment. Now this woman, she's under your punishment. You see the punishment when they put this woman so now God go take punish you. Okay. I know they insult you in future. Now they tell you. The punishment when you put for this woman, so now God go take punish you for future. Now that one I be calmer. You see her because why? This woman she they lament. The lament when she they lament now. This thing, spirit, angel, they with her so okay. She come, no say they'll say that stupid woman don't do live video. Sit down, watch this live video when I tell you so. Instead of you to keep this woman in darkness, you made this woman they eat itself, they think, they cry for inside body. You better tell her say, Dominion, I don't want you again. She will just know her fate. Just divorce her. She will just know her fate. She can carry on. But if see her, you see her, see her. You see her? You see her? Anytime when Dominion take come out like this, you go know say area no good. Dominion can shilo something put for body, shilo, pack something put for body. I say, this woman don't see pack something put for body again. When she come out like this, it's not good. You see, this is not plan. First, na prank. Second, na prank. This is third one, na prank. Okay, now they use by force they marry. You tell person your mind is better than you dey let that person. It's like you keep that person in darkness. The person dey feel pain. You dey kill that person. You dey kill, how will I say it? You dey kill the love when you get for you. You dey kill like you dey kill the love when this woman get for you. The day when this woman go leave you, Allah. You yourself go dey think the love when this woman get for you. Now you go come dey preach the love when the woman get for you. You go dey preach am to people. The woman don't go. You just sit down, they preach the love. My wife love me. Oh, my wife love me. Oh, now my wife love me. Now you go, they cook. Everything when your wife, they do that time. Now you come they preach. But it don't go. You come say, so this woman, I never believe that this woman will feel leave me like this. That is human being for you. If human being want leave you, that is on human being. If they want to leave you, they don't they shout. They don't they do wah. They are looking for the right place to leave you. A wise woman, if you want to leave man, not be where seke. Not be where seke. Now man, go see use the hand, carry a woman go the right place when the woman will feel leave her. If the woman waka, it don't waka. Why some men like that? Some men go want say, some men go get girlfriend. You see, that's when I talk now. Let me explain it. Some men go get girlfriend. Because of that, their girlfriend, they don't want to make their wife. They worry them because of that their girlfriend. Then the girl they tell us, you don't see your wife. The other day your wife do this. The other way your wife do this. I bet I don't fit to. But the intelligent man will say, Since my wife don't know, you go say, if the girlfriend they say, hey, see your wife goes, you go tell girlfriend say, my wife don't know, don't know, say I dey date you. Intelligent man go kill that, you go just cut that relationship. But the stupid man, now you go follow that girl, They arrange how you go take move his wife come on for that city. Once they move his wife come on for that city, if they move his wife, they enter another city. When it be say, he go favor that woman. That is the hand of God. God go still use that to say your husband or that to say boyfriend though. God go use her. Oh, not let God do miracle. God is a miracle God. And when the man they do one, the man go feel say he won't go enjoy himself. After he don't move his family come on for there, may his girlfriend not they disturb by again. He go feel say they move the family for the family favor. I told the sign, go, say if the man want move the woman, I go say, make I carry and come out. If they move her for the girl favor. You see, if they move the family come out for them now, for the girl favor. So that he go see chance. Till they friend that girl. No mistake, no cry. You go just move her. If na Italy, na the man, then you all move the woman. You all move and go Germany. You know, say, you go don't move and go Germany. So that make your girlfriend not they complain again. So that make wife not they complain again. You go do that thing for your wife favor. And you don't know say if they move that woman come out for that nyaga place. At that moment, that place otono baby no. Otono baby. Now that place be that time. Where that girlfriend dey, where the man dey, where your wife dey, they don't they drag that issue. That place not be better place again. There is nothing good they happen for there again. Waiting there at that moment, now fight, quarrel, talk, fight, quarrel, talk, fight, quarrel, talk. Now see, at that moment, that place is autonomous baby. And God is going to use that man for your favor. And he will take you out of that autonomous baby. He go drop you for honey land. Oh, praise the Lord, hallelujah. When the man go come drop you for that honey land finish? You sure? You know the saga who? Let me check. I got everything for you. Let me use my fake account. Now, know what it be my fake account? Come eat jollof rice. Why? You know, they say no saga. Saga, no, I'm not sure. You don't line, no. You don't line, why? No saga. What do you want to make out the saga?
No matter who you are, even if you're my friend for any side.
I want to play on why you they come out. But this thing don't turn on now.
Talk to the boy, Monica the lioness. Me block you. Talk to the boy, I'll be ready to confess. Uzuo. They know I talk today. Mugu. Abola wagbe. Titi saga, ari mi ege no ya. No ya relax. Me go on video. Oh, I'm really 51 years. You are faceless. Because you are supporting someone, you cannot stand your ground. If I am to be you, I'll come out now and say, yes, this is me, Wagwagwe. You don't say one saga on Nika. Anything anybody likes, let anybody see now. Omarikane now. For Monica to go on a platform this night to say that my wife is ungrateful is a disrespect to me.
We'll come back again. Everything don't weak. Everything wait don't weak.
How now they look me safe? Who are the men who are going to go?
And they come. Now wow. Me I plug my this thing. I can't take my charger for you.
I cannot be the fool. The name of my friendship. I cannot be a fool. I respect people.
I want to come back again. I know talk put. Una here? No see wait till be this guy.
Most in my life.
Dominion husband.
Boss.
He say I talk to you just now. I know
You
say
see?
you can't insult me, but na better thing. But go back again. Today na live video. Go for
When you tell me who I am,
I'm coming,
you know what my wife don't pass through me call me.
Yeah.